Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this. We have 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x to be equal to 888. Let's factor out 8 to the power of x from here. To have 8 to the power of x, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 888. So from here we have 8 to the power of x times 3 is equal to 888. So we have 8 to the power of x times 3 to be equal to, we can split this to have 8 times 111, which will give us 888. So when we divide by 3, divide both sides by 3, we have 8 to the power of x times 3 divided by 3 is equal to 8 times 111 divided by 3. So from here, this cancels out this. We have 8 to the power of x is equal to, so we have 8 times 111 divided by 3, we have 37. Since we have 8 to be common here, we have 8 here, let's divide by 8. Divide both sides by 8. We have 8 to the power of x over 8 is equal to 8 times 20. 8 times 37 divided by 8. And we have 8 to the power of m over 8 to the power of n. This is equal to 8 to the power of m minus n. So we have our power here is 1. So we have 8 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to, this will cancel this, we have 37. We'll be taking log of both sides. Take log of both sides. We have log of 8 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to log of 37. But let's recall from law of logarithm, when we have log of a to the power of c, this is the same as c times log of a. So our power moves to the back. We have x minus 1 times log of 8 is equal to log of 37. Since we have log of 8 here, let's divide by log of 8. Divide both sides by log of 8. We have x minus 1 times log of 8 all over log of 8 is equal to log of 37 divided by log of 8. So this will cancel out this. We have x minus 1 is equal to log of 37 all over log of our 8. We can write it as 2 to the power of 3. From here, we have x minus 1 is equal to log of 37 all over 3 times log of 2. So this becomes x is equal to minus 1 crossing over to this place becomes 1 plus, when we factor out 1 over 3 from here, we have 1 over 3 times log 37 over log 2. Now let's recall from log of indices, when we have log a over log b, this can be written as log to base b of a. So we have that x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 3 log to base 2 of 37. So this is our value for x. So let's verify using the question. So let's recall the question. 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x is equal to 888. So I can factor out this to have 8 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 888. So we have our x to be, our x is 1 plus 1 over 3 log to base 2 of 37 times we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3, and is equal to 888. Now, since the powers are adding, we can split this to have 8 to the power of 1 times 8 to the power of 1 over 3 times log to base 2 of 37, and we have times 3 here. Will it be equal to 888? We have 8 and we have 3. Multiplying 8 times 3, we have 24, times we have 8 to the power of 1 over 3, which can be written as cube root of 8 times log to base 2 of 37. Will it give us 888? So here we have 24 times the cube root of 8 is 2 to the power of log to base 2 of 37, which is equal to 888. So this will give us, now let's record the law of indices. When we have a times log to base a of b, our answer becomes b, 24. Since we have 2 to the power of log to base 2 of 37, we have 24 times 37 is equal to 888. So when we multiply this, we'll get that 24 times 37 is 888, which is equal to 888. So our left hand side equals the right hand side. So with this, we'll conclude that our x value, so our x is 1 plus 1 over 3 times log to base 2 of 37. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.